What's up, everybody? Happy Monday. Hope everybody had a great 4th of July weekend. Welcome to week 4 of your 1-minute challenges. Today we're going to look at the step up. Today's 1-minute challenge is however many step ups you can do in 1 minute. Okay? So as always, let's look at the form. We'll look at it from the front and from the side to talk about what we want to see, and then we'll talk about the different regressions and progressions we can do with this. Okay? So first from the front, when I put my foot on the step, I want to make sure my feet stay nice and straight. I'm going to flex at the hip, flex at the knee. I want to make sure my knee isn't coming too far past my toes or that my weight's not forward in my toes. I want to feel the full foot on the step. I want to use my hip and knee extension or straightening to pick me up. Okay, so from here, I'm pushing through, I'm coming up, I'm going to tap with my other foot and come on down. And then we're going to alternate each time. So the other leg's coming on, straight foot, pushing down through the full foot. I want to feel that heel on the surface and control it back down. Okay? From the side, just like we talked about from the front, I want to make sure that knee is not traveling too far forward, that I'm sitting back. I'm using my hip to help pick me up. Full foot, that heel's pushing down into the surface. And I'm going to drive down and come on up. Then alternate each time. Okay? So I'm using just a box here. What you can use is a curb, your stairs, anything that gives you a lift up. You can have, if there's a stable bench outside, if you have a chair that you know can support you, whatever you choose, just make sure it's stable and that it will support you standing on top of it. But dealer's choice on the surface. The way you can regress this is by just lowering the surface. So this puts me at about hip height when I flex my knee. I'm 90-90. If that's a little too challenging for you, you can just use a step and do the same form just on a lower surface with that. To make it a little bit more challenging, just like we talked about last week, you could throw a backpack on, hold some weight in front of you, and do that same step up motion. All right, so those are your regressions and progressions and what we're looking for today. Today's challenge, the most amount of step ups you can do in 1 minute. All right, good luck, everybody.